Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an OM System Tough TG-7 camera and you're wondering how to charge the battery, how to remove and replace the battery, and all that kind of good stuff. Because you can basically just charge this, just plug this camera into the USB-C socket on the camera and it will automatically charge the battery that's in it. But you might be in a situation where you need to swap out batteries and stuff like that so that you can just continue to take pictures. And we can go ahead and do that. And if you need extra batteries and an extra external charger, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get one so that you can just keep taking pictures. And then all we need to do is open the battery compartment. So here, there's a lock here, so we need to unlock it by pushing this little clip down. And then this little tab here is just going to open the battery compartment. So you'll see we just pull that little lock down, clip that little lock down, and then we're going to go ahead and then just use that clip there. It will open, turn orange, and then we can open it. We can pull that old battery out, and we can take the battery and just using the metal, look at the little metal prongs or the little metal exposed metal on the battery. We'll just make sure that's to the inside of the battery, to the inside of the camera. I mean, turn it around to the inside of the camera and then slide it in until it clips. And we can take, again, we're going to undo that clip to take the old battery out, put it on the charger, and then we can let it charge. Thanks a lot for watching.